little Rocket 88 there for your listening pleasure on WKEN Radio, live from right here at United Brethren Church. This is our year-end show, folks. We're done after this Thursday for the year, but we will be back right here in this lot next year. First Thursday in May, mark it on your calendars. If you fill out your car number information on the back, we'll put you on a list, and we'll try and get you the events when we have them listed for the 2019 season. So make sure and fill out all your contact information, make, model, year of car, phone number or email address so we can get a hold of you. And my son's going to handle that this year so it gets done right. And right now they're walking around selling the 50-50 tickets. As you know, we are a nonprofit car show, so all the door prizes tonight come out of the 50-50 money. That's what helps us pay for this lot and helps us pay for the door prizes. So if you're feeling generous tonight, they are selling 50-50 tickets, and this is your last chance this year. And if the pot gets big enough, we might even throw in a second prize. We'll do cash for first place, and then we'll draw for something special. We got a nice bucket as supplied by AutoZone full of your soap and sponge and everything you need to wash your wife's car. So make sure and get your 50-50 tickets. The line's pretty small right now over at the hamburger hot dog stand. So make sure and get something cold to drink and hot to eat. And as usual, if you have a request, let us know. We'll try and get it on the airwaves for you right now. How about a little bit of Bobby Lewis, a little tossing and turning?